So guys, I'm going to tell you how to calculate the quantities what you get for intraday trading. So if you guys know that for intraday trading, you get 5 times margin for equity stocks. Depending on the broker and depending on the stock, you get up to 4x or 5x of the margin. So what is margin? So whatever the capital you have, it becomes into 5 times. For example, let's say you're trading on 50,000 capital, and if you're selecting MIS, that is margin intraday trading, you get 5 times margin. So whatever capital you have, it becomes into 5 times, and this is the capital now, and this divided by the stock price, you get the answer. For example, let's say the stock price is 500, so you get 500 as answer. So that's the quantity what you get to trade, that is stock price. You have to divide it. Okay, so capital, what you have, capital into margin divided by the stock price. If you do this, you get the answer. So that's the quantity what you get to trade. Okay, or you can just simply type the quantity what you're willing to buy, and it will show what is the margin required here. Okay, so if the margin required is showing within your capital, that means then you can buy that much of quantity. Or if the margin is showing above your capital, then you cannot buy that quantity. So that's a little shortcut, but if you calculate, then you get a correct kind of answer, so you can buy that quantity. If you're not doing for intraday, if you're doing for holding or swing trade, that is long term, that is CNC holding, then it's very simple. Whatever the capital you have, capital divided by the stock price. Okay, so then you get the answer. So that's the quantity what you get. When you're doing for a long term in CNC, in zerodha, you don't get much. Okay, so there are other brokers who provide margin trading facilities for holdings also, like Alice Blue and HL Broking. Even they provide like 4 times or 5 times even for long term holding. Okay, so that I'll make a different video and I'll explain you how you can take swing trading with margin. Okay, so this is the basic concept of calculating the quantities for intraday trading with the help of margins. And also guys, if you guys want to learn how to be a consistent profitable trader, you can just click on my channel and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trade videos. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today.